Shobhita. I am from 8th class A section. School assembly news. International news. The World Bank warned that the escalating US-Iran conflict could significantly slow global economic growth and increase inflation if the war continues. European Union prepares new sanctions on Russia. EU diplomats continued negotiations on a 21st sanctions package targeting Russia's oil trade and sanctions evasion networks. National news. Parliament's monsoon section witnessed protests over the need papers leak issue with the opposition demanding accountability and education reforms. Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi were briefly detained during a protest in New Delhi over the need controversy before being released. The Telangana High Court directed the Police Recruitment Board to submit a detailed schedule for the ongoing police recruitment process, ensuring transparency for candidates. App-based cab drivers Ola, Uber and Rapido observed a statewide strike demanding better earnings, social security and improved working conditions. Sport news. Indian shutler Ash Shetty enters pre-quarter finals defeating Indonesia's Ali Khan in China Open Badminton Tournament. Today motivation. Dream big, start small and stay consistent. Today GK question. Where is the headquarters of the World Bank located? Everyday English word. Transparency. TRANSPARENCY means being open, honest and easy to understand. Example. Government transparency means it openly explains its decision and action to the public. Yesterday GK question and answer. Where will the Commonwealth Games be held this month?